In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Strikethrough feature on Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to sign in to Microsoft Teams. Open your preferred web browser and head to teams.microsoft.com, or if you have the Teams desktop app installed, go ahead and open that. Make sure to log in using your Microsoft account credentials, which should be straightforward. Once you're signed in, the next step is to select a conversation where you'd like to send your message. You can choose either a chat with a colleague or a team channel where you collaborate with others. It's essential to know exactly where you want to send your message to ensure your Strikethrough text goes to the right audience. Now that you've selected your conversation, let's dive into the formatting options. Look at the message input box at the bottom of your screen where you usually type your messages. There, you should see a format icon, which looks like an A with a pencil. If you don't see it right away, you may also find it by clicking on the plus icon and selecting Show Formatting Options. This will reveal a toolbar where you can customize your text. Next, you'll want to locate the Strikethrough tool in the formatting toolbar that appears above your message box. It's represented by an S with a line crossing through it. This is the tool that will let you make text appear with a Strikethrough effect. Once you've found the Strikethrough icon, you're ready to apply it. You can click the icon to activate the feature, then begin typing your message. If you already have some text written down, no worries. Simply highlight the text you want to strike through and click the icon again. This will apply the line through it seamlessly. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your message looks, it's time to send it out. You can do this by pressing the Enter key or clicking the Send icon. Your text will then appear in the conversation, complete with the Strikethrough effect you just added. And that's all there is to it. Using Strikethrough in Microsoft Teams is a simple yet effective way to communicate, whether you want to cross out outdated information or perhaps add a bit of humorous flair to your messages. Make sure to practice using these features and don't hesitate to explore other formatting options available in Teams, as they can enrich your communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your experience with Microsoft Teams even better. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more helpful